It's a beautiful morning. It is Sunday morning here in Samoa, and we are on our way to church. Everyone is ready to go. We might be running a little bit late, but that's okay.
We forgot some things.
Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art.
So we just finished church, and now we are over here at the house again for Kumai with the family. There's love at home. Hi guys. At home. Is that Uncle?
Oh my goodness. Yay!
Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee.
Hi, Fun. Hi.
So these are what we call village dogs. Rabies.
No, that's not what you call it. What you call dog. Hi, dog. Hi, Fun. So there are so many dogs out here
In Samoa.
in Samoa. Just stray dogs walking around everywhere. But this dog is Fane. Fane belongs
Still
to
a stray dog
and
just with
Yone.
the name. Just a stray dog with the name. Is what it is.
And
belongs
Fun
to
is
the
so
lady.
cute.
Funny, stop. Stop, Funny.
He doesn't understand you.
Yes, he does. He speaks Samoan. He speaks more Samoan than you. Stop.
Oh yeah? You know what you speak? You speak baby.
Say, tall, look at all the hens. The hen and the chicks.
Oh, he's so cute.
Come here, Fun.
He's
Come here.
cuter.
You know, I didn't want to come out here to see you, but no. Boy, he doesn't speak English.
Should. It'll be good for him. Hey, are we gonna go on our Sunday hike or what?
Boy, if you go over here. Is that a chicken?
Besides Pearl, they're
Look,
chicken.
show her this is the oven.
This is what we call the umu.
This is where we have human sacrifices.
Pearl.
So when you come over here, you just lay. This is what you'll see. For the human
Pearl, you're so dumb. They should sacrifice you with all these stupid comments you make.
And after we sacrifice them, we feed them to the villagers.
Man.
Only the traders, though. That's only if you're bad. Then we feed you to. Then we feed you to the mana.
Bunny likes this.
Look at the shell.
I find that you doggy trying to squeeze you. Okay, children, let's go. Come on, kids.
Come on, T'Challa.
Kids, let's go.
T'Challa.
Pearl is so annoying.
Size of the heart. The fight.
It's the size of the courage. Okay, so we are going on a beautiful family walk. It is Sunday evening, and we are gonna go and walk the roads of Fasitouta. And just look how beautiful it is right now.
Well, back out, bro.
Hey. Well, we're not walking far.
Here is the church. This is one of the chapels. It's right next to the house. There's the house. Wow. And we have all of these flags that were up for the Pacific Games 2019 that was held, that actually ended last week. So all these are in front of the house. Manu Manu, Samoa. Mom, the camera is filming.
We just banged the uku. And you know what that's called?
And the ook bang bang. I got it, Dad.
Aha! Watch out. Come on, come. Say, come go.
Lightweight scared us.
What's the neighbor with us? What's up?
Are we going to get a walk in? I don't think so.
Oh, hi. Hello.
Welcome to my village.
And I think
We're gonna take a walk. Right here.
Cameraman.
It's all the homes here in Samoa. We're taking a walk. Welcome to Fusco. Or
I know there's something called walking.
for docking.
how beautiful is that?
Buddy. Alam mo ko po yung.
Hi, family. Dad got the chicken salad. Mom got the garden
We four daughters got it.
and fish cakes.
Okay.
And fish cakes.
Then you probably take a slice that. Cut up the cheese. No, with the finger.